Investing in art is a risky and highly specialized endeavor that requires a deep knowledge of the art market and a solid understanding of how artists have evolved over time. I can't provide specific art investment recommendations because this field is subject to unpredictable changes and fluctuations. However, if you're interested in art investment, here are some general considerations. Research and educate yourself. Before investing in an artwork, conduct thorough research. Learn about different artists, styles, and art movements. Understand current trends and perspectives in the art market. Consult with experts. Consider speaking with art experts or art consultants who can provide guidance based on their knowledge and experience in the field. Diversification. Like any investment, diversification is key. Don't put all your resources into a single artwork. It's preferable to diversify your art portfolio to mitigate risk. Condition of the artwork. Evaluate the condition of the artwork. Pieces in good condition tend to have higher value. Artist's track record. Research the history and track record of the artist. Artists with a strong reputation and a consistent body of work over time may be safer investment options. Participate in auctions. Art auctions are places where significant artworks are sold. You can follow auctions to get an idea of how artworks are valued and how much collectors are willing to pay. Keep records. Maintain detailed records of your art investments, including authenticity documentation and the history of each piece. Long-term perspective. Art investment is often considered a long-term endeavor. Don't expect immediate profits. Remember that the art market can be volatile, and not all artworks appreciate in value over time. It's important to do your due diligence and consider art investment as part of a diversified portfolio rather than a singular investment. Additionally, consider seeking advice from a financial professional or investment advisor before making significant art investment decisions.